Hey everybody, here's a short video showing you how to create your own student feedback forms from the template that we used last year. So in Simon, on the home page here, and this works much better on your laptop than on your iPad. You can do it on your iPad, but it's a little bit tricky and the steps are a little different, is to create a new student feedback form from the school links section on the left. So once you click on that, it'll ask you to make a copy, which is what you want to do. We don't want everyone filling their information into the same form, so this will create a new form in your Google Drive that you can access. Once you've done that, you need to rename it so it makes sense. I'm going to get rid of the words copy of at the top, and where it says insert class, I'm going to do this for my science class. So it's 8A science, and I also like to put a time reference, so semester 1 2019, so when I look at the file in my drive I know which form it is. And I'm going to do the same in here as well, 8A science, semester 1 2019. Okay, once you've done that, that confirms the name in your Google Drive, and your form's actually now ready to go. What you need to do to be able to send this immediately is click on the send button on the top right hand corner, and we want to just email the link to the students. We don't use this interface here to do it because this tries to use Google to share it. What we want to do is send via the link, which is this paperclip button here. Shorten the URL if you want to, and then press copy. And now you can paste that link into an email that you're going to send to your students. So that's a pretty simple way to do it. The email can be sent from Simon by going into learning areas for your class and using the communication tab. I won't demonstrate how to do that here, but that's really ready to go. Once you've actually shared it and are collecting responses, the responses tab here will have a number after it and tell you how many times your form's been filled in, and there's nothing on this one, but when you click on it, it'll give you some automatically generated graphs and things here. If you want to access that information in a spreadsheet so you can create your own graphs, like I know some people might like to do, you can use the create spreadsheet option over here by clicking on it, and it will create a Google Sheet in your Drive with all of the information that the kids have provided in that spreadsheet. However, the summary data that it provides here is actually really useful. Just one final thing, if you're at this point and you want to find your form information because you're no longer in Google Drive, it's a matter of going to a new web page and going to drive.google.com, or you can access this from Drive app on your iPad, is to make sure you're signed in, and you'll see in your quick access the student feedback form will exist there, or you can scroll down and find that form as well. I need to change this so that it's based on the date. Last opened by me. I can't even see it. I have too many things in my Drive. Student feedback form, double click on it, and there you have it, and you can check the responses. It's possible to edit the questions on there if you needed to, or if you want to. Again, if you had other questions you wanted to ask, feel free to check with myself or Brad. But yeah, the form's there for you to use if you so desire.